What's the meaning of amateur dramatics? Amateur dramatics. Amateur dramatics. Amateur dramatics. Amateur dramatics. Amateur dramatics.
Amateur dramatics refers to the performance of plays or skits by non-professional actors in a community or amateur theater setting. Such productions are typically organized and performed by volunteers who have other full-time jobs or interests outside of the theater. While the performances may lack the polish and technical expertise of professional productions, they can still be enjoyable and entertaining for audiences. Amateur dramatics can help individuals build confidence, develop new skills, and create social connections within their communities. Overall, amateur dramatics provide an accessible and fulfilling outlet for those interested in theater and performing arts.